Hi guys, this is a gun review of what I'm rolling in. Well, I'm gonna start from the stock down to the barrel. Right now, I have a G&G. I gotta flip it here. I got a G&G ornament. Here, wait. Let me see if I get a. Wait, G&G ornament flexible stock. I used to have a MOE stock, but I traded in for some rails. And I got a metal upper and lower receiver with an MOE PTS hand. Yeah, and then inside the internals are a GMP upgraded to 350 exact with about 25 RPS. And right now I have a ICS high turbo motor, and triggers all the way back. Like it. And then well, this doesn't work because I couldn't fit the gearbox. So, and I have a PTS. And I got a PTS flip up sight, but it's a back sight. So just yeah, I like that. And then I got a leaper scope. Let me flip it. Okay. Leapers scope and king arms, upper and lower receiver, metal, as I said. And I like this. It's pretty cool because you could, like, just in case if you see someone, you just go, like, it feels wiggly, but it's not. It's just really slippery. It's pretty good. I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, I mostly have it on my other M4s. And then to the front, I got an MOE handguard with another MOE AFG with an MOE PTS rail systems. I got one right here and one right here. And I got a flashlight that I got from my dad. It still works. Pretty good. Yep. And then what else? And then my barrel is King Arms. Well, the whole gun was King Arms until I changed the gearbox into I upgraded gearbox actually. So it's pretty good, and some logos of King Arms, property of U.S. government M4A1, yada yada yada. And then got a suppressor right here. Pretty good. It makes it long. I use it just for prop. But I have another suppressor. Let me get it. Yeah, Juntech suppressor. Like this one. No, there's the tip of the pistol. Yeah. And then I got another one. Oh wait. And this isn't foam filled. It's just a hole. Yeah. And I got another one. If I can find it. Oh, here it is. I found it. Okay. And we got warning biohazard